Houzz tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Houzz. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Houzz, you can also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Houzz, it is a comprehensive social media platform designed for home design and improvement industry, in which this platform initially aimed to connect homeowners with interior designers and home improvement professionals, in which over time it has evolved into a platform that caters to a wide range of users, including homeowners seeking inspiration for their projects, professionals working in the building and design industry, and building product marketers, in which the platform offers a unique opportunity for building product marketers to showcase their products within real-world design scenarios, making it more enticing for potential customers. And now that we know the overview of this platform, we can now proceed by creating our account on Houzz, in which from here it will show you that you can simply enter your email address in here. Or alternatively, you could also create your account or sign in using your Google account right here, in which upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do to proceed is to simply enter or create your password, enter your professional category, enter your business name, also enter your phone number, your contact name in here, and proceed by clicking create free account button below here, in which upon doing so, you will be able to be directed on this page right here. So this is basically what the Houzz dashboard looks like. And from here, it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here search, leads, company, settings, messages, notifications, help, and even your account option right here. While on the right side panel, it will show you from here by clicking this explore what you can do. You will be able to see your other options, including build your brand, get leads, win clients, and get paid section, in which from here under build your brand section, you will be able to set up your profile or complete your public profile. And below here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see here the list of your leads and also your task for a specific date or time. And to start creating a task, just click this create a task button right here, in which upon clicking on it, just click create task button again. And after that, you should see here a variety of information that you need to fill out to start creating a task in here. And aside from that, on the right side panel, you'll be able to create also a 3D floor plan, mood board, takeoff, daily log, lead, and many more. And below here, you could also navigate the financial documents to create a purchase order, while on the right side, it will show you how you could also support or ask for assistance that you can navigate here, the help center, video tutorials, webinars, and learn. Then below, it will show you the 2 idea books, which is my project and wishlist, which you could also navigate to learn new knowledge. Now moving on the left side panel, we can start navigating these leads. By simply clicking on it, we will be able to see your other details, including the all active leads, new leads, follow-up leads, connected, meeting schedule, proposal sent, won, and many more, in which this option will help professionals in the home design and improvement industry manage and convert potential clients into actual projects, in which this platform offers a comprehensive lead management tool that allows users to organize and track leads from initial contact to project completion. So as you can see in here, you will be able to see other details including the lead name, stage, client name, location, project type, and many more. Now moving on the left side panel under company, we could also navigate here templates, clients, Houzz profile, website, email marketing, and marketing insights. So let's start by navigating these templates. By simply clicking on it, you will be able to see here on the right side panel that this option is designed to help professionals in the home design and improvement industry streamline their business operations by providing a range of customizable templates for various tasks. As you can see, we have here templates for kitchen and bathroom, transitional kitchen, for 3D floor plans, estimates, and below you could also view the templates for 3D floor plans and mood boards. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate the company clients by simply clicking on it. From here, it will show you the list of your client name, company name, email address, and even their phone number. And now as you can see, I have no client added in here, and to add new client, just click this add new client button right here, in which upon clicking on it, on this pop-up window, just fill out the contact details, including the full name, email address, phone number, company name. So for instance, I'm going to enter here the name John B, and upon clicking save button below here, you will be able to see that the clients has now been successfully added in here. Now below, we could also navigate under marketing, the Houzz profile, website, email marketing, in which by simply clicking on this email marketing, you'll be able to see here the campaigns, templates, and lists, in which it is designed to help professionals in home design and improvement industry manage and convert potential clients into actual projects. So basically, this tool allows users to launch campaigns, build beautiful newsletters, and send targeted emails to specific lists. Now moving on, aside from company option that we can start navigating, you'd also navigate the settings option in order to customize the notifications. Under account settings, by clicking on it, we will be able to see here that we can choose to customize the email, mobile push, and other customizable preferences in here, including under project management, financial, and any other details about notifications. While under integrations, which is Clipper tool, from here we could also download the extension of Clipper to find our items and use it to add instantly to our projects. Now moving on, aside from that, below here, on the left side panel, we can navigate here the messages, in which this option is designed to facilitate the communication between users and professionals in the home design improvement industry. While on the other hand, under notifications option, this option is designed to help users manage and stay updated on various activities within the platform. While on the other hand, if you already have a concern, you could also navigate this help option to go to Help Center in order to get the assistance that you need. Or alternatively, you could also watch video tutorials, webinars, and connect with other service providers. And aside from that, below here we can navigate our settings profile to customize our account info, profile setup, privacy, and any other details about our account. And now that we know some of the options, we can now proceed by creating our leads. To do that, just click on the left side panel, the leads option, and it will show you in here on the right side panel, the leads info. And to add leads, just click this add leads button on the top right corner. And below here, you have the choices to create new lead manually, import from file, or even import from email. But in those options, I'm going to choose to create new lead manually. And from here on this pop-up window, just fill out all of the required information, including the client name. For instance, I'm going to enter here the name Mike L. Then below, you could also enter the email address, primary phone number, street address, city, state, zip code. And also, if you want to add more details, just click this more lead details right here, in which it will show you other fields that are needed to fill out, including the lead source, lead name, expected start date, estimated profit, and many more. Then proceed by clicking Create Lead button to proceed in here, in which upon doing so, you will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you some other details on the left side panel. We have here overview, messages, notes, files, take-up, proposals, and more actions. And also under Quick Create right here, you could also create proposal, upload a proposal builder, navigate mood board, floor plan, note, call log, takeoff, and any other option. And aside from that, under messages from here, you can send an email by filling out all of the required information, including to the subject, and also entering here the messages that you want to send. And also, as you can see below lead activity, you'll be able to track all of the activity on this page and start navigating all of the options on the left side panel, such as notes, files, take-up, proposals, and any other options in here. So as you can see, we just created or add a lead on this page. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Houzz. Thank you.